Vic, have you had any encounters of your own with anything paranormal, anything cryptid, any phenomenon?
Not with dogmen, but I've had a few encounters with what I believe were Sasquatch.
Hmm.
Back a little over 40 years ago, I was deer hunting in the middle of absolute nowhere. And I can't see how it could have been anything other than a massive Sasquatch, literally feet behind me. I was leaning up against this huge oak tree on the side of this big hollow, and it's deer season. So there were tons of leaves on the forest floor and all that. So nothing could have gotten anywhere near me without me hearing it. Nothing,
Yeah.
especially with lungs the size of what I heard.
Hmm.
Basically, the gist of what happened was I went to this man's farm with him for opening day of deer season.